Tom and Anna were excited because their parents were going out of town for one night. Before leaving, their mother reminded them carefully to lock every door and stay safe at home. The children promised they would be careful. After saying goodbye, Tom and Anna happily waited for the pizza their parents had ordered for dinner. A few minutes later, the pizza delivery man arrived at house number 42. Tom opened the door, paid for the pizza, and carried it into the living room. The delicious smell of melted cheese, tomatoes, and sausages filled the house. Anna smiled with excitement as they sat together watching television and enjoying their dinner. Both children felt happy and safe, believing they were going to have a peaceful evening alone at home. But while they were eating and laughing, someone else was quietly watching the house from outside. A thief noticed that the parents had left and believed the house would be easy to rob. He secretly entered through an unlocked door and quietly stepped inside while the children were distracted in the living room. The thief smiled greedily as he looked around the house. He saw expensive furniture, jewelry, snacks, and bags filled with useful items. Thinking the children would never notice him, he slowly walked into the kitchen and started searching for money and valuables. He filled his bag with snacks, jewelry, and cash while quietly planning to search the upstairs rooms next. Meanwhile, Tom went to the kitchen to get drinks for himself and Anna. As he walked inside, he suddenly noticed muddy shoe prints on the clean floor. Their mother had cleaned the house before leaving, so Tom immediately realized the footprints did not belong to anyone in the family. Fear rushed through his body when he followed the footprints and realized someone was inside the house. Tom quickly ran back to Anna and whispered that a thief had broken into their home. Anna became frightened, but instead of panicking, she tried to think calmly.